Hello everybody. Let us discuss a few MCQs on surface and interfacial tension. I would request you all to pause the video after every question and then proceed further for the discussion. So let us begin with the first question. Select the odd one out. Liposome, micelle, Smiths or inverse micelle. The correct answer is inverse micelle. Now, liposome, micelle, Smiths, all of these are no doubt circular vesicles, but the first three have the hydrophilic head on the outside and the lipophilic tail on the inside. This is how a surfactant will arrange itself at the interface. But inverse micelle is opposite. It will have the hydrophilic head on the inside and the lipophilic tail on the outside. So inverse micelle is also called as reverse micelle, and it is usually the arrangement of a water in oil type of emulsions. Let us go to the second question. Which of these is the natural surfactant? Pepsin, phospholipid, bile or saliva? The correct answer is bile. Bile is the naturally occurring surfactant. It helps in the absorption of lipids. Polyoxyethylene sorbitan monopalmitate is which of these? Tween 20, tween 40, span 40 or span 60? Now, as I discussed earlier, polyoxyethylene sorbitan is nothing but the derivative of sorbitan. Therefore, it is tween and not span. So, this is how we eliminate these two options. Now, if you all remember the coding, that is L for lauric acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid and oleic acid. These alphabets correspond to the numbers 20, 40, 60 and 80. Right? So accordingly, the answer over here, palmitate, stands for 40. Therefore, the correct answer is tween 40. Tween 40 is the correct answer. Which of these is an unsaturated surfactant? I told you all, oleic acid is one unsaturated fatty acid and it corresponds to 80 grade. Hence, out of all of these, only option D consists of 80 grade. Hence, span 80 is the unsaturated surfactant amongst these. Does water always spread over glass? No, it depends on glass and water. Only if the glass surface is clean and the water is distilled will it completely spread over glass. So let us continue. For complete wetting to take place, what should be the contact angle? Less than 90, greater than 90, 180 degree or none of these? The answer is none of these. Because for complete wetting to take place, the contact angle should be 0 degrees. If it is 180 degree, no wetting will take place. And as the contact angle decreases, wetting increases. HLB or solubilizing agent is? The answer here is 15 to 18. Solubilizing agents are hydrophilic, and hydrophilic surfactants will have a higher H for hydrophilic, H for higher HLB value. And solubilizing agent is the highest one in this category, and that is 15 to 18. RHLB is given by, the correct answer is Bonadio. Bonadio has given the concept of RHLB, the equation for RHLB. Griffin has given the HLB scale. Jidema and Waters had given the correction factor. And Duno is nothing but the tensiometer used. What is the size range of micelles? Is it molecular, colloidal, particulate, or we cannot say? The correct answer is colloidal. Surfactants, no doubt, are molecular in size, but when they form micelles, which is a circular vesicle, they form colloidal size range of substances. Which of the surfactant is used for parenteral? The correct answer is lecithin here. For this, you need to refer the table and memorize the surfactants used for parenteral. Besides benzalkonium and sarcosinates, these two are ionic, and ionic surfactants are irritant in nature, so they cannot be used for parenteral. And dimethicone is a polymeric type of surfactant. So the next question, what are the units of surface tension? The correct answer is Dine centimeter. Newton per meter square is nothing but the units for pressure. Ergs is the unit for work or the surface energy. There doesn't exist Newton square per meter. So the correct answer is dynes per centimeter in CGS. Which of these is not a surface or an interface? Gas will never form an interface. So this is the correct answer. We will always have a liquid-liquid surface, solid-liquid interface, solid-solid interface. We will never have a gas-gas interface. At what temperature is the surface tension for water 0 dynes per centimeter? That is, it's talking about what is the critical temperature. The correct answer is 375 degrees Celsius. Which method helps in determination of both surface and interfacial tension? Now, capillary rise method will only give you the surface tension. It won't tell you the interfacial tension. So the correct answer is Duno ring method. Duno ring method helps us determine both surface as well as interfacial tension. Which of the following is the correct statement? Interfacial tension are less than surface tension. Strong interfacial tension exists between miscible liquids. Units for interfacial tension and surface tension are different, or none of these. Units for interfacial tension and surface tension are always same. So this option is eliminated. Strong interfacial tension exists between miscible liquids. No, this is wrong. Miscible liquids do not form an interface. So the point of having a strong interfacial tension is out of question. The correct answer is interfacial tension is always less than surface tension. That is because the adhesive force between the two surfaces is always more than the adhesive force between the surface and gas. So I hope these questions have helped you in the better understanding of the concept. Thank you.